Alright, save Kelly, pre-college algebra, part 3. Let's solve. Find the real solutions use for the following. So I'm going to use the quadratic formula. So I'm going to put A, B, and C, A, B, and C inside there. So negative of 2, 2 squared, minus 4 times A times C. 4 times 8 times negative 15. So we have negative 2 plus or minus 4 plus 480. That's 484. Square root that in the calculator is 22. So now we have negative 2 plus 22, negative 2 minus 22. So negative 2 plus 22 is 20 over 16, which will become 20 over 16. 4 times that, so 5 over 4. The other one is going to be negative 24 over 16, which is going to become negative 24 over 16. It's a little bit easier here, which is 8 times that, and then 8's cancel, so you have 3 over 2. Next one is match the graph with the following function. Okay, that's fine. So I say it's this one right here. So let's put that in there. Hit on. Windows are fine. So let's put in, get rid of the old stuff there. You have x squared and minus 5x, and then plus 16. X squared. Now let's see. Oh, minus 8x. Let's go fix that. Okay. Plus 16. Now, hit graph. There it is. So it looks like this one right here. You can also do trace to find other points in there if you want to. Also, another thing is, let's see the domain of this. Let's see the 16, 16. Let's go ahead and do that. Windows, let's change this to negative 16 and 16. Let's see if that gives us a better graph. Maybe. But anyway, it is that one right there. And you can do trace, get some points for it if you want to. Alright, match the graph again. X squared minus 6x. So let's do that. Y, clear it. X squared minus 6x. Is that it? Yes. And hit graph. And it goes down there and that way. So it's that one right there. Again, you can use trace. There's a point right there. 0, 0. And keep going till you get other numbers in there. Looks like it's 3 to 9, 8 to 9. And looks like it's close to 6 and 0, somewhere there. Anyway, and you can also change the windows again. This one, let's go back to minus 12 and 12, and hit graph. Same thing. There it is again. Next page, please. Graph. X squared minus 4x minus 5. So let's go ahead and do that. Get back to the business. So we have y, clear it, x squared minus 4x minus 5. Enter x squared minus 4x minus 5. Hit graph. And it looks like that. Over here on the right. Again, use trace. You can find points right there. Another point there. Keep going. Find another point right there, close to it. 2 and 8 and 9. Keep going. Find another point right there, close to that. 5, 0, somewhere in there. Anyway, the points negative 1, 0, 0, negative 5, 2, negative 9, and 5, 0. There they are. Also, notice that the vertex is right there. X-intercept, Y-intercept, vertex. And axis symmetry is right in the middle, which means x equals 2. Domain, negative infinity, range from negative 9 to infinity. increasing from 2 to infinity, decreasing from negative infinity to 2 goes this way. Another graph, okay? Alright, so we have x squared plus 6x plus 9. So let's put it in here. We have x squared plus 6x plus 9. Right, ready to graph. Domain is fine. Yeah, let's go from there. Graph. It's to the left side, over here. So again, do trace. Here's the point right there. 0, 9. And you can go left to find more points. Or pretty close to them. Like negative 3 and 0 maybe. That's it. It's good enough. Alright. So now, negative 6 and 9, negative 3 and 0, and 0 and 9, right there, 3 points. Axis symmetry is this right here in the middle, x equals negative 3. And vertex, it's also the x-intercept, y-intercept, another point. And let's see, domain, negative infinity, infinity. Range, from 0 to infinity, keep going up, bottom to top. Increasing from this number here, negative 3, going this way, it's up. Decreasing from this way, it's going down, no, right there. $129. Solve this. So add 4, yeah, 7x bigger than 35. Divided by 7, divided by 7, divided by plus number. The alligator stays just like it is. So x is bigger than, or greater than. So x is greater than what? 5, that's it. It stays right there. Or 5, don't include it, going that way, or 5 to infinity. Find f of negative 6. Put a negative 6 there, there. Negative 6, 36 times that. Negative 6 times 4. That's going to be 144 minus 24 plus 5. 144 minus 24. 120 plus 5 more is 125. Alright. Find the rational, use the rational theorem to find the zeros of this. Alright. All that means is this. The last number or the first number. That's 55 over 1. Plus or minus 55 plus or minus. What number is divided? 55, 11, 5, 1. All over 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. And break them down. Yeah, plus or minus 55, plus or minus 11, plus or minus 5, plus or minus 1. I'm going to try the negative 1 first. And I did. Negative 1 in there is synthetic division. So 1, negative 5, negative 61, and 55. There they are. Bring the 1 down. Negative 1 times 1 is 1. Negative 1. That's going to be negative 6. Negative to negative is positive 6. Negative 61 plus 6 is negative 55. Negative 1 times negative 55 is plus 55. 55 and negative 55 is a 0. There's a remainder. Since the remainder is 0, yes, this is an answer. Next one. Try negative 5. Let's get lucky here. Negative 5 in there. The numbers are 1, minus 6, minus 55. Bring the 1 down. Negative 5 times 1 is negative 5. That's negative 11. That turns out it's going to be 55. 55 minus 55 is 0. So we're left with 1 minus 11, or converted, 1x minus 11 equals 0. Add 11 to both sides, we get x equals 11. So we have negative 1, negative 5, 11. So the answers are negative 1, negative 5, 11. Find the equation with complex number. It means you can get 3 I stuff, I business, like right here. See? Alright, A, B, C. Put them in there. A, B, and C. So now, B, negative positive, 14, negative 196. 4 times 1 times that number is 520. Subtract those two numbers in the calculator is negative 324. And the square root of a negative number, remember, is I. 18i. Divide both sides by 2. So, 2 divides this 7, 2 divides this 9i, plus or minus. Negative 7 minus I, negative 7 plus 99. So 7 minus 99, 7 plus 99. One was a negative, one was a positive. Solve the inequality. There it is. 9 minus 4x is that. Minus 9 minus 9. Minus 4x less than negative equal to negative 16. Divide by negative 4. Negative 4. And you have x is bigger than or equal to 4. Or bigger than or equal to 4. Including it right there. 4 that way to infinity. Or 4 to infinity. 4 to infinity including this. 27 to 2/3 is, rewrite this 27 as 3 to 3. 3 times 3 times 3 is that. And then multiply the numbers. So we have 6 over 3. 3 divided by 6 is 2. 3 to the 2 power means 3 times 3 is 9. This one. Put the numbers in. Put negative 3 in there. Negative 3 times negative 3. Bring this down. 9 times that is 18. That times that is 9. And 3. 18, 9, 27 plus 3 is 30. Use a quadratic formula. Put it in there for ABCs. Negative and negative 10, negative 10 squared, 4 times that. So that's going to give you a 10 plus 100 plus 56. And that's going to be 256. Square root of that is 16. And divide by 2, divide by 2. Get 5 plus or minus 8. So 5 plus 8, 5 minus 8. So it's going to be 13 or minus 3. Factor this. We can take out 9. 9 times that is 9x. 9 times 7 is 63. That's it. It's good. Factor this. Look at the last number, 35. It could be one of these two. I say that. So x plus 5, x plus 7. Is that it? Check it. X times x, x squared. X times 7, 7x. 5 times that, 5x. 5 times 7, 35. Add them together. X squared plus 12x was 35. Yes. Factor this. Could be 1 and 19. That's it. 1 times 19, check it. X times x is x squared. X times 19 is 19x. 1 times that is 1x. 1 times 19, 19. That one and that one is 20. X squared plus 20x was 19. Yes. This one could be 14 and 1, 27. Say 27. So, x times is x squared. X times 7 is 7x. 2 times that is 2x. 2 times 7 is 14. X squared plus 9x plus 14. Good. Next one. 14 could be 14, 1, 27, say 27. Negative, negative. X times x, x squared. X times that, negative 7x. That times that is negative 2x. That times that is 14. Add them together. Yes, that works. This one. If you say it's 6 and 7, it'll give you that number. X plus 6, x minus 7. Check it. X times x, x squared. X times that minus 7x. That times that is 6x. That times that is 48, 42. This and this is negative 1x or just negative x. Good. X squared plus 4x minus 21 could be 37, I think. So minus 3 and plus 7. X and x, x squared. X and that is 7x. Negative 3 and that, negative 3x. That and that, negative 21. So x squared plus 4x minus 21. Yes. This one, I think it's going to be the 2, 3, 4, 1. It's 3 times that. So 3 times that is 6x squared. 3 times that is 3x. 4 times that is 8x. 4 times 1 is 4. 6x squared plus 11x plus 4. Yes, that works. 5x minus 1. X plus 4. Check it. 5 times that is 5x squared. 5 times that is 20x. Negative 1x. Negative 4. 5x squared plus 19x plus minus 4. Yes. 46. Is that the numbers? All these possible, 6 and 4. Negative 6, negative 4. X times x, x squared. X times z minus 6x. That times z negative 4x. 24. 10x squared. X squared minus 10x plus 24. Yes. Last one. Or 47. The fifth root of this. So it means just divide 5 into each one of these powers. This one by 5. This one by 5. So it's x7, y5. This one. Square both sides. 8x minus 8 equals that. Add to both sides. Divide by 8. Divide by 8. 12, 3. Is it work? Does it work? I don't know. Let's see. Check it. Square root of 8 times 3, 24, minus 8. 24 minus 8, 16. Square root of 16 is 4. I just like 4, 4, 4, 4. Is 4 equal to 4? Yes. Does it work? Yes. So the answer is x is what? Negative No, x is positive 3. Works.